Hello and welcome to our video. Today we will learning 100 simple and practical future tense sentences in English and Hindi. Whether you are a student, a language enthusiast, or someone looking to boost their bilingual communication skills, this video is for you. What you will learn: how to form future tense question, fluent translation between Hindi and English, commonly used sentences for everyday conversation. So grab a notebook and let's start improving your language skills together. Subscribe now for more helpful and fun learning content. Let's get started.
I will meet him. I will meet him. She will write a letter. She will write a letter. They will join us. They will join us. We will enjoy the party. We will enjoy the party. He will repair the car. He will repair the car. I will attend the meeting. I will attend the meeting. You will achieve your goals. You will achieve your goals. She will win the competition. She will win the competition. We will organize an event. We will organize an event. They will support the team. They will support the team. He will plant a tree. He will plant a tree. I will donate to charity. I will donate to charity. You will guide me. You will guide me. She will complete her training. She will complete her training. We will launch a new product. We will launch a new product. They will celebrate the festival. They will celebrate the festival. He will clean the room. He will clean the room. I will finish my project. I will finish my project. You will learn new skills. You will learn new skills. She will participate in the seminar. She will participate in the seminar. We will create a presentation. We will create a presentation. They will explore new places. They will explore new places. He will buy a new phone. He will buy a new phone. I will visit the museum. I will visit the museum. You will improve your health. You will improve your health. She will teach the students. She will teach the students. We will build a house. We will build a house. They will enjoy the vacation. They will enjoy the vacation. He will save money. He will save money. I will solve the problem. I will solve the problem. You will start a business. You will start a business. She will open a shop. She will open a shop. We will plant flowers. We will plant flowers. They will make a movie. They will make a movie. He will write a book. He will write a book. I will research the topic. I will research the topic. You will organize a meeting. You will organize a meeting. She will motivate the team. She will motivate the team. We will prepare a report. We will prepare a report. They will build a bridge. They will build a bridge. He will train the staff. He will train the staff. I will celebrate my birthday. I will celebrate my birthday. You will guide the tourist. You will guide the tourist. She will host the event. C will host the event. We will repair the machine. We will repair the machine. They will decorate the house. They will decorate the house. He will conduct an experiment. He will conduct an experiment. I will visit my relatives. I will visit my relatives. You will join the course. You will join the course. She will design the dress. She will design the dress. We will arrange transportation. We will arrange transportation. They will climb the mountain. They will climb the mountain. He will renovate the house. He will renovate the house. I will take a vacation. I will take a vacation. You will write an article. You will write an article. She will learn a new language. She will learn a new language. We will run a marathon. We will run a marathon. They will organize a fundraiser. They will organize a fundraiser. He will fix the computer. He will fix the computer. I will make a decision. I will make a decision. You will participate in sports. You will participate in sports. She will manage the event. She will manage the event. We will develop an app. We will develop an app. They will discover a solution. They will discover a solution. He will travel abroad. He will travel abroad. I will buy groceries. I will buy groceries. You will finish your book. You will finish your book. She will visit the doctor. She will visit the doctor. We will attend the wedding. We will attend the wedding. They will upgrade the software. They will upgrade the software. He will play football. He will play football. I will paint the wall. I will paint the wall. You will write a diary. You will write a diary. She will train her dog. She will train her dog. We will buy new furniture. We will buy new furniture. They will book tickets. They will book tickets. He will open a bank account. He will open a bank account. I will study hard. I will study hard. You will deliver the package. You will deliver the package. She will bake a cake. She will bake a cake. We will sell our old car. We will sell our old car. They will rent a house. They will rent a house. He will learn to swim. He will learn to swim. I will try my best. I will try my best. You will attend the class. You will attend the class. She will clean the kitchen. She will clean the kitchen. We will grow vegetables. We will grow vegetables. They will launch a campaign. They will launch a campaign. He will study for exams. He will study for exams. I will update my resume. I will update my resume. You will fix the plumbing. You will fix the plumbing. She will adapt a pet. She will adapt a pet. We will write a script. We will write a script. They will plant trees. They will plant trees. He will give a speech. He will give a speech. I will learn to play guitar. I will learn to play guitar. You will set up the projector. You will set up the projector. She will repair her bike. She will repair her bike. We will volunteer for the event. We will volunteer for the event. They will publish a book. They will publish a book. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Like, subscribe for more videos.